Seniors can maintain and even increase their muscle strength with just a few gentle exercises done daily at home. These exercises are perfect for beginners and don't require any special equipment, so you can do them anywhere, anytime. And they have been proven to help older adults stay strong and independent as they age. So if you're ready to start feeling better and living life to the fullest, then keep watching this video. We will show you how to do each exercise correctly and give you tips on how to make them more challenging as you get stronger. Let's get started. No one chair squats. Squats are an excellent way to strengthen your lower body without putting too much strain on your joints. This makes them ideal for older adults who may have decreased bone density or balance issues. To perform a chair squat, stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Hold onto the back of the chair for support and slowly lower yourself down into a squat position. Keep your back straight and your chest up and aim to lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Then push through your legs to stand back up and repeat for reps. If this is too difficult at first, start by just lowering yourself halfway down and then gradually work your way down to a full squat. You can also use your arms for more support as you go. If you want to make it more challenging, try doing the exercise without using your hands for support, or try adding a weight to your lap as you do the squats. Number 2. Wall push-ups. Wall push-ups are a great way to build up a body strength without putting stress on your wrists or elbows. This makes them a good option for people who may have joint pain or other physical limitations. To do a wall push-up, stand facing a wall with your arms extended and your hands pressed against the wall at shoulder height. Keeping your body in a straight line from head to toe, bend your elbows and slowly lower yourself towards the wall. Aim to bring your nose about an inch away from the wall and then press back up to the starting position. If this is too difficult, try stepping your feet further away from the wall and then gradually move closer as you get stronger. If you want to make it more challenging, try doing the exercise with your arms wider apart or with your arms at a lower height. No 3 step-ups. Step-ups are a fantastic exercise for working the lower body and improving balance. They are easy to do and can be modified for different fitness levels. To perform a step-up, you will need a sturdy platform such as a stair or a step. Stand in front of the platform with one foot and then raise your other foot up onto the platform. From there, you will step back down with one foot and then repeat the movement with the other leg leading. If this is too challenging at first, start by simply stepping up and down on one leg without using your arms for support. Once that becomes easier, try using your arms for support as you step up and down on both legs. If you want to make it more challenging, try adding weights to your hips as you do the step-ups, or try doing them on an uneven surface such as a curb. No-foot plank. The plank is a great exercise for building core strength, which is important for maintaining balance and preventing falls in older adults. It also works the shoulders and arms, making it a great upper body workout. To perform a plank, start on all fours and then extend your legs so that you're in a push-up position. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. If this is too difficult at first, start by holding a plank on your knees and then gradually work your way up to a full plank. If you want to make it more challenging, try extending one arm at a time or lifting your hips slightly off the ground to add more intensity. No 5. Seated knee lifts. Seated knee lifts are a great exercise for strengthening the hip flexors and improving balance. This makes them ideal for older adults who may have trouble with mobility or who are recovering from a fall. To perform a seated knee lift, sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift one knee up towards your chest, while keeping the other leg pressed firmly against the floor. Hold for a few seconds and then lower your knee back down. If this is too difficult at first, start by simply lifting your knee halfway up and then gradually work your way up to a full knee lift. If you want to make it more challenging, try lifting both knees at the same time or try adding weights to your knees as you do the lifts. These are just a few simple exercises that can help older adults stay strong and healthy at home. With just a few minutes of practice each day, you can improve your balance, strength, and overall health. Just remember to start slowly and gradually work your way up to more intense exercises. And always consult with your doctor before starting any new workout routine. Now let's look at some more videos to help you stay active and healthy. Here is another video that you can watch. This video will help you to understand why it is important for seniors to stay active. As we get older, our bodies change in many ways that can make it more difficult to stay active. But it's important to remember that staying active is one of the best things we can do for our health. Staying active helps us to maintain our strength and balance, which can reduce the risk of falls and injuries. It also helps us to stay mentally sharp and emotionally resilient. Plus, staying active is a great way to boost our mood and reduce stress. So even if it's just a little bit each day, it's important for seniors to find ways to stay active. Watch this video to find out what are some fun activities that seniors can enjoy. These activities are not only fun, but also provide physical activity and social interaction. So let's take a look. This next video will help you to learn about the benefits of Tai Chi for seniors. Tai Chi is an ancient Chinese practice that involves a series of slow, controlled movements that promote relaxation and balance. It is often described as meditation in motion and has been practiced for centuries. For seniors, Tai Chi offers a unique set of benefits that can help them maintain their physical and mental well-being. Firstly, Tai Chi can help improve balance and reduce the risk of falls, which is particularly important for older adults, who are at an increased risk of osteoporosis and other balance-related issues. In addition, Tai Chi can also help seniors to manage chronic conditions such as arthritis and heart disease. The gentle movements of Tai Chi can also help improve flexibility and range of motion, which can make everyday activities easier to perform. Furthermore, Tai Chi has been shown to have numerous mental health benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety and improving mood and sleep quality. If you are a senior or know someone who is, consider giving Tai Chi a try. The next video will show you how to do Tai Chi for better balance and reduced fall risk. When practicing Tai Chi for better balance and reduced fall risk, it is essential to focus on proper form and technique to maximize the benefits. Here is a step-by-step guide to practicing Tai Chi for balance and fall prevention. Start by standing up straight with your feet shoulder-width apart and your arms at your sides. Engage your core muscles and keep your shoulders relaxed and pulled back. Bend your knees slightly and shift your weight to the balls of your feet. This will help you to find your center of gravity and improve your balance. Next, slowly raise your arms overhead while taking a deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly lower your arms back down to your sides. Repeat this movement several times, focusing on keeping your movement slow, controlled and fluid. In addition to the overhead arm movement, practice a series of slow, gentle rotations to loosen up your joints and improve your range of motion. Rotate your shoulders forward and backward, then rotate your hips in a circular motion. You can also practice small steps and leg movements to improve your lower body strength and balance. Take small steps forward, backward and side to side, keeping your weight evenly distributed on both legs. Practice simple standing exercises such as heel-toe walking and single leg stands to improve your balance and leg strength. It is important to start slowly and gradually progress to more advanced movements as your balance improves. Remember to focus on proper form and technique rather than speed or intensity. Practice these movements regularly to improve your balance and reduce your risk of falling. It may also help to practice Tai Chi in a quiet, open space where you have enough room to move around safely. With regular practice, Tai Chi can help you to improve your balance and reduce your risk of falls, allowing you to stay active and independent for longer.
Take a walk, let your heart lead. Step by